Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive maintenance with a focus on the Polaris PS-4 synthetic oil change kit. If you're a proud owner of a Polaris Ranger or ATV, this is the oil change kit you've been searching for. Now, what makes this oil change kit stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, Polaris is a name synonymous with quality and reliability in the world of powersports. So, when they release a product like the PS-4 synthetic oil change kit, you know you're getting the best. Whether you're tearing up the trails on your Ranger or putting in work on the farm with your ATV, you need an oil that can handle whatever you throw at it. And that's where the PS-4 synthetic oil comes in. This synthetic blend oil is specifically formulated to provide maximum protection and performance for your engine. With a flash point of 220 degrees Celsius, you can trust that this oil will keep your engine running smoothly, even in the most extreme conditions. Now, let's talk compatibility. Whether you have a Ranger 500, 570, 700, or 800, or even a crew model, this oil change kit has you covered. From the rugged trails to the open road, the Polaris PS-4 synthetic oil change kit has been tested and proven to deliver top-notch performance, mile after mile. And here's the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. With everything you need in one convenient package, changing your oil has never been simpler. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions included in the kit, and you'll have your Polaris engine purring like a kitten in no time. So, to wrap it up, if you want the best for your Polaris vehicle, look no further than the Polaris PS-4 synthetic oil change kit. With its unbeatable performance, compatibility, and ease of use, it's the clear choice for any Polaris owner. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of your favorite automotive products. Until next time, happy riding!